Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. We got the truck loaded up this morning. We're going to take a little bit of a deviation from construction work today. We have a road trip plan. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Alright, well here we are. We are starting out our day at Sunshine Farm. This is in Barangay Laning. I think that's how you pronounce it, Laning. So anyway, here we are. We're going to look at some sunflowers, obviously, today. Now we are a bit early. Actually, we're doing a celebration today. Today is a celebration of one of our friends, and I'll introduce you to everybody in just a moment. Oh, and this is the birthday girl right here.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! That's beautiful out here. So anyway, Sunshine Gardens here is actually operated by many of the people that work here. It's operated by those that are physically challenged, and a lot of the proceeds are donated to also those who are physically challenged. So it's a good caring and giving type of a place to go to visit, and it's right. We haven't really got into it yet, but it's really beautiful inside so far.
The disabled, they have abilities. They are giving but not given. This one. Inspiration, not only obligation.
Now, if you like sunflowers, you're gonna like this place. Now, I showed you last week, our friend Henry gave us a couple of golden coconut seedlings, and this is a mature golden coconut tree right here. And we have two of these, and they're only like about 20-30 centimeters tall right now. But this is what they'll look like when they become fully matured. And you can actually get up there with a ladder and just pick your coconuts. Now something I want to show you is if you have a small backyard and you're looking for a tree that actually makes some really big fruit but doesn't take up a lot of space if you do proper pruning, let me show you something similar to what we have in our backyard. Ours needs pruning, but behind me right here is lanka. Lanka, it's the jackfruit tree is what most of the Westerners call this. And I want to show you the fruit, very healthy fruit on this lanka tree. Well, now, during normal times, non-pandemic times, they actually have a restaurant here. And let me show you some of the items on their menu during non-pandemic times. Well, since they are not open for business for food, for restaurant, we are going to go to what I consider one of my favorite restaurants here in the Philippines. And if you've been watching my channel, you know what that place is. And it's not that far from here, maybe less than an hour drive. So we're heading towards our favorite restaurant, and we'll see you when we get there. Now, something I just want to mention just before we leave is, although it's not a really big place, it's kind of personal here. It's a very nice and personal, very nice flowers and plants. But just remember, it's for a good cause. It's for a good cause. It's for those who aren't as fortunate as some other people when it comes to handicaps and disabilities. So if you get a chance in this area, and I'll post information on the description block today, how you can find Sunshine Gardens. All right, well, here we are. We're at El Torro again for the birthday girl. So this is where we're gonna enjoy our our celebration. It's gonna continue right here. So I have to tell you, as they start bringing the food out, I have to show you, and we did the last time that we visited here, I want to show you the presentation of the food. I mean, they make such really good food here. Oh, I got to come over here. I'm going to check your food out. Sorry. And they just do such a, that's breaded prawn with like shrimp. And believe it or not, this is mashed potatoes. I'm not going to stick my finger in your potatoes, I promise you. And the salmon that they have over here. And I always order when I come here. They make, you remember from the last time, they make the best schnitzel here. And this is called Hunter Schnitzel. It's sort of like Jaeger Schnitzel. As close as you can get the Jaeger Schnitzel. And this is the mushroom sauce. And you can take the mushroom sauce and put it on here. Last time I got the fancy mashed potatoes, but this time I'm going with the fries this time. So we'll check when everybody else is going. We'll check these out as well. I don't know. What did you order, babe?
They're special.
This goulash. Got the goulash. You got the goulash last time too. Anyway, Ness wanted to share her goulash experience right here. And what is this?
Salmon.
Croquette.
You want a little bit of butter?
What's in there?
Croquette. Potatoes.
Oh, potato. Oh,
You want a little
potatoes.
bit
Potatoes.
butter for the salmon? Yeah, yeah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We have one anniversary shout out that needs to get out today because it's for today, for March 20th. I am going to read some of this because it's a really touching. Sometimes when something is really kind and people say such things that really touch our hearts, we like to read everything that they said on there. So that's what we're going to do today on this one. And the first one is the anniversary shout out for today, March 20th. And it comes all the way from Iceland. And we've done a shout out for this wonderful couple before. And their name is Addie and Eliza. And it is their 11th wedding anniversary. But they not only have great news about today being their wedding anniversary, they shared something very kind about their family. Is today they just let us know that they have expecting a new baby, and they just found out, and Eliza is 16 weeks along and expecting a child. So anyway, I want to read a small quote from what they said when they wrote us an email for the request for the shout. And it says, "I have really enjoyed all your videos, and I'm waiting for a new one from you. You always keep me with so big smile and make me feel so happy all the time. So keep on going with it. I know there are so many like you that make all smile all the time. So anyway, that was a wonderful write-up that Addie put inside there. So anyway, for you, Addie and Eliza, we all want to wish you a happy anniversary. That's how I pet Hot Phone every day. I know that's not Hot Phone. Anyway, did you have a good time today?
Yes, I did.
So, yeah, we're going to close from here in front of El Torro. We got a couple other things that we want to do on the way going back to the house, back to Villa Feliz. But I just wanted to close from right here because this is a great spot to dine and a great spot to close our videos out. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PR Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen over there and you'll be subscribed. And if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video. So until such time from right here in the Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.